In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile photo on Etsy. Whether you're a new seller looking to establish your brand or a long-time user wanting to update your image, having a good profile picture can significantly enhance your presence on Etsy. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to Etsy's website and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that as a preliminary step. Once you're logged in, you'll be easily able to locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the site. This icon is your gateway to accessing various account settings. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Account Settings. Click on that option to take you to your account management page. This section allows you to oversee various aspects of your account, including your profile and privacy settings, preferences, and more. Now that you're in the account settings, it's time to focus on uploading your profile photo. This is a critical step because your profile picture is one of the first things people will notice about you. It helps in establishing an immediate connection. You'll see an option that says Upload a Profile Photo. Click on that to begin your upload. Having the right photo is important. Ideally, choose a clear and well-lit image that represents you or your brand. Professional-looking photos often perform best. So if you have a headshot, that's a great choice. Once you've selected your image, you'll need to upload it. If you're not familiar with the upload process, it usually involves clicking a button labeled Choose File or something similar, which then allows you to browse your computer or device for the image you want to use. After selecting and uploading your desired photo, there's just one final step, and that's to save your changes. This ensures that all the hard work you just put in doesn't go to waste. Look for a Save button or option and click it. This will confirm the upload and make sure your new profile photo is live on your Etsy account. And there you have it. Once you've saved your changes, your profile should display your new image. Your updated profile picture is now part of your online presence, ready to represent you on Etsy. Remember, a well-chosen profile photo can help make a great first impression on potential buyers, so take a moment to review how it looks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your Etsy experience.